Let's now look at tf.math.ceil. In this, what we get in the output is the ceiling of the values that we have in a tensor element wise. Let's create a tensor x that is equal to tf.constant, and in this we'll create some values minus 3.9, some negative values and some positive values, minus 1.2, minus 0.7, 0.0, 0.7, 3.9, 0.5 and 0.1, and then we can perform the ceiling operation. Tz is equal to tf.math.ceil, ceiling CEIL, and we input the value of x. Then we print the value for z, and what we see, and let's print the numpy version of it. So we'll convert this to an array, and in the output what we see is as follows: the negative values that are 3 minus 3.9, minus 1.2 and minus 0.7, essentially the decimal part is removed, and so for minus 3.9 we just get 3 minus 3, minus 1.2 we just get minus 1, and minus 0.7 we just get a minus 0. The 0 stays as is, and for the positive values 0.7 is kind of increased to the integer value, which would be the whole number, which would be 1. Then 3.9 goes up to 4, 0.5 and 0.1 go up to 1. So that's the ceiling operation in TensorFlow. We can look at a similar comparison in NumPy. So if you type np.ceiling of x, and of course we do not need the dot numpy there, so let me delete that and run this, we should get the similar output. As you see, we have the same output. So that's how we can use the TensorFlow math library to convert values to the ceiling. Like if they're negative values, we drop off the decimal part. For positive values, we essentially round it up to the integer value. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.